Hi, I'm Sharif Rahman. I'm a UX UI designer from India and expert in Figma and Framer. Have helped a startup, agency, SaaS, and also, of course, a portfolio to translate their complex requirement into fully functional website in Framer. And also, I just helped visual or vision to life through Figma, but it is just a platform. The real requirement comes from the clients like you. So I asked some question to collect the client exact requirement through why you want to expand your services, why you want to implement these service to get more sales. So these are the question comes from first in my mind, and ask these clarify question and collect the insight and start researching, because research is a main tool for understanding the niche and audience. After that, I have a design decision and explain through Loom video, because I'm not a just designer who done the job in workspace and leave when the project is completed. Instead, I prefer work as a partner and help my clients to translate their requirement, why I design this button or something, because there is a purpose. Then we can easily communicate after the client is happy and they have generated more sales. So I would love to explain my case study for done my previous client. I work for Wilson Translate, his real estate agency website in Framer, because the older version was done in WordPress. And Wilson has a different users for the different scenarios. Like you can see, the older version has a two button, one for seller, one for buyer. But here the same hero title are communicating with the different users. That is not a good idea to communicate for different user for same hero title. But I redesigned and I added the same concept here in new version in Framer. Now you can see there is no compromise for background overlay, but I just added extra section and added blend effect to what happening the behind the background. And also I just placed the information for different users, for sellers and buyers. They can easily click toggle and they can communicate easily with what they want, because hero section very important. That's lead website impression, and the hero section communicate with what the value of this website or application. So here I just added different users for different information and a different call to action button that trigger more sales than their older version. And here agent card is very important, but the older version just card and there is no information, and also a lot of blocks. That's not a great way to present the agent, because agent also very important, because they can easily connect a call with agent. So here I just communicate directly and I just place our agent directly, so customer or client can easily find the information here and clear profile picture, name and call to action trigger. We need this agent to find my real estate apartment in US. So that's the reason I just redesigned this way to improve the visual hierarchy and help the client to turn paying customer. And this is a very important property details page. You see here property details page very important, because every client has a specific needs for square feet, rooms and other things in real estate. So here a lot of text, that is not a great way to present the information for the properties, and a lot of blocks. So here I just redesigned this section with clear information, with very tidy and very neatly, like a lot of white space and inner with light gray shade, and also added icons specify for the different feature. Now you can see here I directly communicate with the user about the product property name, property square feet, location and also square feet some information. It's very important, because the real estate agency or real estate clients are coming for finding information and book a appointment with their agent and make the deal. That's the main purpose on this website. So as a UX UI designer perspective, I help user to find their information. So I just present this information very neatly, and that great experience to help user find the information quickly when comparing to their previous website. And also property details card, because I just placed it in home section, and the older version doesn't have property details card or property details card. So here I just placed a clear call to action button, and also property details or property name and valuable information. So in a glance, every client has a specific needs for their property details, so this information save their time, and also this also help user to trigger next action to navigate this page to property details page. So this website really helped to Wilson look modern, professional, and also user has improved their experience to find the information when comparing to their older version, and also increased more sales than is in their running website in WordPress. So I'm really excited to work on your project. Thanks for watching.